Alright, so you have the equation 1 over n plus 3 plus n squared plus 6n plus 5 over n plus 3 equals n minus 3. So the first thing I would do is I would add the 1 that's over n plus 3 and I would add that to n squared plus 6n plus 5. And the only thing the 1 can add to is the 5 because they're like terms. You cannot add the 1 with the variables. So you would have n squared plus 6n plus 6 over n plus 3 equals n minus 3. And what I would do next is I would multiply the denominator of n plus 3 and they would cancel out and I'd multiply that by the other side, n minus 3. So you have n squared plus 6n plus 6 equals n minus 3 times n plus 3. Now when I did multiply that out, I had n squared minus 3n plus 3n minus 9. And the negative 3n and the 3n would actually cancel out, so you're left with n squared minus 9 on the right side. So you actually have n squared plus 6n plus 6 equals n squared minus 9. I then subtracted the n squareds from both sides and they both canceled out, so you were left with 6n plus 6 equals negative 9. The next thing I did is I subtracted the 6 from both sides and you are left with 6n equals negative 15. Now you have to solve for n, and right now there's a 6 next to the n being multiplied, so you divide by 6 from both sides, and then that cancels out the 6's, and you have to do that to the right side, which is negative 15. So you're left with n because the 6 is canceled out. Negative 15 over 6, and that can be reduced more, and 3 can go into negative 15 and 6. You'd be left with negative 5 over 2 as 3 goes into both of them, and that's your most simplified answer. So this is what I think it should look like. So yeah.